The new Volvo Collision Mitigation System is an in-house developed system designed to support safe operation of Volvo wheel loaders. Wheel loaders spend an average of 40 to 50% of their working time reversing, putting high demands on the operator paying attention to the surroundings. The Collision Mitigation System assists operators under certain circumstances while working in reverse by automatically braking the machine when it approaches an unnoticed object, helping to reduce the impact of collisions or avoiding them altogether. The optional collision mitigation system is available for wheel loaders in the range of L110H up to L260H and requires that the machine is equipped with OptiShift and radar detect system. Though the operator still needs to pay full attention, the system initiates braking, alerting the operator that intervention is required. This intelligent system will remember the last slope the machine climbed, allowing reversing down without activating the assisted braking. However, the collision mitigation system can be temporarily deactivated using a switch in the cab if specific site conditions demands it. The collision mitigation system is yet another example of Volvo's commitment to safety.